Here's a small deal of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, rules millimetres, material's been wetted. Piece like that you can see has got water reflection. There's probably a few pieces in here that haven't got much in it, but we'll just quickly run through them. I've just scooped them out of a bucket that I've got. So if you think there's not much in it, that's fine. As I go through it, I'll price it up as I'm going, like that piece. Just needs a bit more grinding down, I think. A lot of these faces are very thin though. Like that you can see the vein of colour. How thin it is. That'll come off there and you have a little picture stone. Again, just an eye on the end there. Something like that, you're better off just cutting a stone. Oops, sorry. Just cutting a stone with what you can see rather than trying to chase a vein because it's not very thick. Bit of nothing much. Again, like that piece, just cut. Sorry, keep going off the screen. With this piece, just cut it into a shape with a bar of colour through the middle. I wouldn't try chasing it, might not go anywhere. Like I say, I've picked these up just randomly. Live colour there. Running out of space in my hand. Bluey purples. Just a sliver of something. Another little bit. Again, not much. There's that vein there though. Whether you're going to chase it or not I don't know, but there's another vein running through here, so you might end up with a stone out of that piece after some careful grinding. Cheers.